Get ready to be amazed by the top 5 natural wonders.
Number 5. The Grand Canyon. Majestic and awe-inspiring, it takes your breath away. Number 4. The Northern Lights. Nature's magical light show in the night sky. Number 3. The Great Barrier Reef. A vibrant underwater paradise teeming with life. Number 2. Victoria Falls. The thundering waterfalls that leave you in awe. And the number 1 natural wonder is Mount Everest. The ultimate triumph of human spirit against nature's challenges. These natural wonders remind us of the beauty of our world